Hello and welcome to the morning bulletin. This is Amana and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. The row over laddus offered to devotees as prasad at Tirupati temple has intensified. Now this comes after a lab report has confirmed that the laddus contain animal fats and fish oil. All this began when Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu had accused the previous YSRCP government of using animal fat and substandard ingredients in making the Tirupati laddu. This report by NDDB CALF, which is a private laboratory focused on testing animal feed and milk products, has revealed that the ghee used in making Tirupati laddus contain foreign fat, palm oil, fish oil, beef tallow and lard. The Indian government has reacted sharply to a US court issuing summons to government and top officials in connection with the assassination attempt on Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, who is a leader of a pro-Khalistan outfit, seeks for justice. Now this comes after a case was lodged by Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. Center has said that this is completely unwarranted and unsubtle imputations. A new report by FATF has revealed that India is facing threats of terrorist financing from groups active in Jammu and Kashmir. The report also added that the country faced a range of terror threats mostly from ISIS and Al-Qaeda. Israeli warplanes have attacked Hezbollah targets in southern Lebanon on Thursday. They have hit hundreds of rocket launcher barrels that were about to be used to immediately fire towards Israel. Israel has hit some 100 rocket launchers consisting of around 1,000 barrels. This comes hours after Hezbollah's chief Hassan Nasrallah threatened tough retribution and just punishment for the back-to-back attacks on their communication infrastructure with explosives. The junior doctors who were protesting against the rape and murder of a trainee doctor at the Arjical Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata have called off their strike. They will resume essential services in hospital from September 21. Today, the doctors will also conduct a rally from Swasthya Bhavan to CBI office at 3 p.m. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has ordered the sealing of the interstate border with Jharkhand. This comes amid West Bengal's flood crisis. Mamata Banerjee has accused the Damodar Valley Corporation of releasing water over 3 days, inundating 11 districts in southern Bengal. She has also accused Jharkhand Chief Minister and India Bloc ally Hemant Soren for not responding to her appeals. After which, in response, JMM General Secretary Supriyo Bhattacharya called Mamata's decision as hasty and unreasonable. JMM has also warned of blocking goods trucks carrying essential commodities to Bengal. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.